Friends, see, how are you? I hope all are fine. So, how to take care about Karina virus, not Karina, coronavirus. So, this is the second class. Already introduction blueprint is over in first class. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about solutions. Second chapter, which carries 6 marks. Solutions. So, this is the second chapter which carries 4 plus 2. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss. First of all, you know what is a solution. What is a solution? What is a solution means? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Two or more components. It is nothing but a solution. It is nothing but a solution. Example. Sugar solution. Sugar solution, comma, salt solution, comma, German silver all these are solutions. Now how to know in sugar solution sugar solution, sugar plus water is sugar solution. Okay, sugar plus water is nothing but a sugar solution. Here sugar is nothing but a SOLUT, solute. Water is nothing but a SOLVENT, solvent. It is a solution. It is a solution. So, in sugar solution, sugar plus water gives rise to sugar solution. Sugar is nothing but solute, water is nothing but a solvent, then sugar solution is nothing but a solution. So, now you have to know solute. Have to know solute. Solute means it is the component present in the solution in less quantity. Which is the component present in the solution in less quantity. Less quantity is nothing but a solute. Example, sugar, salt, like this. Next you have to know SOLVENT, solvent. It is the present in the solution less quantity in the in solution. It is more quantity in solution. More quantity in the solution, it is a less quantity in the solution. Next you have to know binary solution. Binary solution, the solution which contains only two components, which contains only two components, are called binary solution. Two components means solute plus a solvent. Only two components means solute plus solvent. It is nothing but a binary solution. Example, salt plus water gives rise to salt solution. It is the binary solution. It is solute solvent. It is a solute. It is a solvent. The solution which contains only two components are called a binary solution. It is nothing but a binary solution. So this is about solutions. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. For example, sugar solution, salt solution, German silver we may take. In sugar solution, sugar plus water gives rise to sugar solution. So here solute solvent gives rise to solution. Solute means which in sugar solution. Solute means less quantity in solution. The substance which is the component which is present in less quantity in the solution. Solvent means the component which is present in more quantity in the solution. Binary solution means which contains only two components, solute and solvent. So example, salt solution, salt plus water gives rise to salt solution. Salt is a solute and water is a solvent. So it contains only two components, means it is nothing but a binary solution. Okay, write down. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss types of solutions, students. Next, we are going to discuss types of solutions. Types of solutions we are going to discuss. How many types of solutions means many types. I am going to make a table. So by observing the table you may understood. You may understand. Then first one I am taking serial number. Next one type of solution. Next one type of solution. Next one solute. Next one solvent. Solute, solvent. Okay. Now serial number 1. Type of solution is nothing but gaseous solutions. Gaseous solutions. Solute, solvent is see here gas, gas, gas. Solvent is a gas. If solvent is gas, then that is considered to be as a gaseous solutions. Solute will be changes. First gas, next liquid, next solid. This is a gas in gas type of a solution. Okay. Next second one is nothing but gaseous solution. After that liquid solutions. Liquid solutions. Liquid solutions. Here solute is what? Different. And solvent is only liquid in liquid solutions now. So solvent is compulsory, we have to take a liquid. So solute is nothing but first one 3 states we have to take a gas, next liquid, next solid. Gas in liquid, gas in liquid, liquid in liquid, solid in liquid. Next serial number 3, gaseous solutions, liquid solutions and solid solutions. Solid solutions. Solid solutions. Solute is maybe 3 types. Here solvent is a solid only. Solid, solid, solid. Solvent must be solid. They are nothing but the solid solutions. Here solute changes. First one gas, next one liquid, next one solid. So how many types of solutions we have? How many types of solutions we have, students? 9 types. How many types of solutions we have? 9 types. So we may give examples also for this. We may give examples also. for this. So gaseous solutions is nothing but three types, and this is one type, this is one type, this is one type, this is one type, and this is one type, and it is nothing but one more type, and it is one more type. Total we have how many types of solutions? 9 types. In this chapter we are going to discuss this type of solution. It is nothing but important type of solution, solid in a liquid. So gas in gas, example air. Air is a mixture of nitrogen and oxygen. Liquid in gas, liquid in gas, example chloroform. Example liquid means a chloroform in air. Solid in gas, solid in gas is nothing but a camphor. Camphor in air, camphor in nitrogen. Examples. Then gas in liquid, gas in liquid, oxygen in water. Then liquid in liquid, alcohol in water. Solid in liquid, glucose in water. So you may take one more example, one more type, that is nothing but examples are okay. We may take one more column, that is for example. Here I am going to take examples. Okay. So gas and gas type of solution, example air. Air is a mixture of air. Air is a mixture of O2 plus N2. Liquid in gas is nothing but CHCl3, chloroform in N2. CHCl3 in N2. Here it is a liquid is a solute, N2 is a solvent. Next is solid in gas. Solid is a less amount and gas is a maximum. Is nothing but a camphor. Camphor in air or nitrogen. Camphor in nitrogen. Camphor in nitrogen. So these are examples. Next, gas in liquid. Gas in liquid means oxygen in H2O is example. Liquid in liquid means C2H5OH in H2O. C2H5OH in H2O. Solid in liquid means glucose C6H12O6 in water. C6H12O6 in water. Gas in solid. Gas in solid. Gas is a less amount of, solid is a more. So hydrogen gas, H2 gas in palladium. In palladium. Next, liquid in solid. Liquid in solid. Liquid is nothing but less amounts and solid is nothing but more amounts. So amalgam, amalgam means amalgam is a mixture of mercury plus zinc, mercury plus sodium, like that we may take. It is nothing but amalgam. Amalgam, it is a mixture of sodium plus mercury, sodium plus mercury. Next, solid in solid, copper dissolved in. So you know gold, that is 22 carats and 24 carats. In 22 carats gold is mixed with copper, that is a mixture of solid in solid, solute in solid, solvent, that is we may consider as a solid in solid. That is nothing but a copper in arum. Copper in arum, arum means gold. So these are types of solutions. How many types of solutions we have total? 9 types of solutions. So in this chapter it is very important. We are going to discuss solid in liquid type of solutions in this chapter. So you have to know what are aqueous solutions. Solvent is liquid, then that solutions are called aqueous solutions. Solvent is a liquid, then that solutions are called aqueous solutions. So write down, these are types of solutions. Types of solutions. So once again I am explaining types of solutions. How many types of solutions we have means, so this is a type of solutions and it is a solute, it is a solvent, and these are examples. So how many types of solutions we have means, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 types of solutions we have. So out of these 9 types, based on solvent we may divide it into 3 types: gaseous solutions, liquid solutions, solid solutions. Gaseous solutions again divided into 3 types based on the solute. Solute, gas type of solution, liquid gas type of solution, solid gas type of solution. Gas type of solution, example air, that is a mixture of 2 gases, oxygen and nitrogen. Liquid gas type of solution means chloroform, CHACl3, chloroform in nitrogen. It is here solute is nothing but chloroform, solvent is nothing but nitrogen. Next, solid gas type of solutions. Here solid is nothing but a camphor, gas is nothing but a nitrogen. When you are burning camphor in air, then camphor is in nitrogen, because air contains more percentage of nitrogen. In air, percentage of nitrogen is more. Then here type of solution, liquid solutions. Liquid solutions means here solvent is a liquid. Based on the solute, liquid solutions again divided into 3 types. Gas liquid solutions means gas in liquid, here it is a solute, it is a solvent is a water. Then liquid type of solutions, here liquid is nothing but ethyl alcohol, and one more liquid is nothing but H2O. That is a type of solution, is nothing but a liquid in liquid type of solution. Here liquid is ethyl alcohol, which is less amount. One more liquid is water, which is a more amount. Water is capable to melt ethyl alcohol in it. So that's why one more important solutions we are going to discuss in this chapter is nothing but solid in liquid. Solid means we may take any solid, sugar, salt, next glucose, whatever it may be. It is nothing but a glucose, C6H12O6 in water. Here C6H12O6 is nothing but solid, which is a solute. Next it is nothing but a solvent. Next, a third type of solutions is nothing but a solid solutions. In solid solutions, solvent is a solid. Based on the solute, these solid solutions again divided into three types: gas, liquid, solid. Gas in liquid, H2 gas in solid, gas in solid, H2 gas in palladium. In palladium metal, H2 gas is present, that is the mixture of solution. Next, liquid in solid. Liquid means if you take mercury, which is in metal but it is in liquid state. If mercury mixed with any metal, then that is nothing but called amalgam. If mercury mixed with a zinc, that is nothing but zinc amalgam. If mercury mixed with sodium, that is nothing but sodium amalgam. Sodium is the metal. Here solid is nothing but what is solid? Here liquid and solid. Solid is what is solid? What is solid? Sodium. What is liquid? Mercury. So this is the mixture of mercury plus sodium. Mercury Hg plus sodium. Next, solid in solid solutions. Both are solids. Solute is solid and solvent also solid. It is nothing but copper in aram. If you take gold, which is 22 carats gold, low quality gold contains copper. If you take 24 carats gold, high quality gold, which contains cadmium. So these are types of solutions. Understand? Got it. Stand. Write it.